Look at this beautiful casino behind me. I bet you don't know what it is, and for some reason a lot of other people don't know what it is, and in today's video I'm going to change that. This video I'm staying at the Aliante Hotel Casino, one of the most underrated casinos and hotels in all of the land. Let's get into it. So this property opened up in 2008. It's about 20 minutes northwest of the Strip. It originally was a Station Casinos property, and now it's actually owned and operated by Boyd Gaming. And if you're unfamiliar, Boyd Gaming owns the Orleans, the Cal, Fremont, and a number of properties in Vegas. There are 211 rooms in the hotel, 125,000 square feet in casino space. There's a bingo room, a movie theater, bars, restaurants, an arcade,
a Starbucks,
a food court, and lots more stuff.
We need to try that.
Surfshark, Surfshark, Surfshark. If you're unfamiliar with Surfshark, they are the #1 sponsor of this channel, so let's take a moment to talk about them. Surfshark is a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. This is a software tool for your phone, for your iPad, for your computer. It keeps you safe and sound on the internet. They do this by encrypting your information that you send to the internet so that no one can steal your information when you're roaming, no matter where you are or what you're doing. It keeps you safe and sound. Now, there are a number of other benefits to having a VPN, like changing location, unlocking hidden content on streaming platforms, and more. If you click the link in the description, you'll save a lot of money with my link as well, and it's only a few dollars a month. It's the best thing you can have to secure your online privacy. So if you use the internet, you need one of these. And I'm sure you're using the internet because you're watching this video on the internet. So click the link in the description, support them. They've supported me and helped me stay afloat in the early days of this channel. So thanks again, Surfshark, and let's get back to the video now. So Boyd hooked it up. They gave us a nice suite to stay in. We're gonna experience this place for the next 20-ish hours, whatever. We're gonna show you the pool tomorrow. They have a beautiful pool area, and tomorrow is the first day it reopens for the season. Got this one, this one. Just got back from Summerlin. I had to get a special pair of sunglasses here. They have hidden cameras in them. That's for my next video though. I don't want to give away details, but it's gonna be an exciting one. We're back, we're about to go to dinner, but first let's show you this room. 2-bedroom suite, 2 beautiful bathrooms. Dining room table, you have a living room, there's 6 different TVs in this room, we have a bar, and there's even a wing behind the bar, an extra room that has a gigantic refrigerator. Also, they have 2 of those really fancy toilets that are automatic and have the little like keypad to flush with buttons and all sorts of things, a bidet and water shooting up your butt. Cool, thanks. So this restaurant is called Bistro 57. This is their best restaurant. I have been here once before and it was great. Really nice staff, friendly people. And I had linguine and clams last time, which is one of my favorites. Might go for it again. Haven't been having that dish in a while, so yeah. Bread. Strawberry lemon drop martini. Linguine and clams. Lemon cake for dessert, gelato, and we have one more thing on the way. Here it is.
There it is.
Tiramisu martini?
Ooh.
Tiramisu martini.
Looking juicy. Thank you.
I waited
Dinner was fantastic. We even got to check out the kitchen area, and they had 2 private rooms. It's kind of like one big private room, but you could split it up. And now we're gonna check out bingo. I'm not a bingo guy. Never really played bingo before, but she really wanted to play. She's played before, so.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's a fun little game.
So we haven't done that on the channel, so we're gonna go hit up some bingo. You lead the way. I don't know how this works.
I don't know either, so that's cool. We'll be back.
Got the paperwork.
Okay, so this is my favorite part, picking the marker. Which one should I get?
So the next bingo session starts at 10 p.m. It's about 9 p.m. So in the meantime, I'm gonna see how the blackjack tables are. Maybe have a session. Greta's gonna put $20 into a slot. And yeah, we'll be back at bingo soon. I told you.
What's that? What does that mean?
All right, Greta lost all her money. Now it's my turn. Playing some blackjack, $15 minimum. Unfortunately, that is what I turned $100 into. At least I have a souvenir. Also, the blackjack here is a bit different than any other place I've ever seen. The dealer gives you your 2 cards face down, and you're supposed to swipe if you want to hit, or if you want to stay, you slide the 2 cards face down underneath your chips. And I asked him, like, why? Why is that? I've never seen that anywhere else. And he said, to be honest with you, it's because it makes it harder for people to count cards and cheat when they're playing. So, although I know some people don't consider counting cards cheating, but whatever, either way. Pretty interesting, right?
It's hard.
One winner, $50.
Good morning. Want to go to the pool? You want to go to the pool?
Yeah, let's
Pool season is officially upon us at Aliante. First day of pool season. We're getting escorted to our cabana. Look. We got the curtains, fan, 1 seat, 2 more seats, another seat, refrigerator. We even have a safe and a TV. Look at that. Also, check this out, guys. I got on my new glasses. Check this out, ready? I'm now recording you. Aliante might get the award for most chill hotel and casino and pool area. Okay, so Aliante overall, amazing property. Reminds me of some off-strip properties like M Resort and Red Rock. Even Green Valley Ranch has that really high quality and class, but it's quiet and relaxed and laid back. And also Aliante is more of a family-friendly place. They got the arcade, the movie theater, and the pool area was filled with kids having fun, and it's got like a wholesome feel to it. So if you want a place to stay that's cheaper than a lot of other properties, but really high quality still, and has some great gambling options still, but isn't gonna be rowdy like, you know, strip properties and many other places in Vegas. This is a place for you. I just wanna thank Bob and the whole team for inviting us. Now, the one thing I will mention is that if you stay here, you're gonna be like 20, 25 minutes away from the strip and a lot of the other attractions in Vegas. So just keep that in mind. Maybe that's not a deal breaker for you, maybe it is. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Like. That helps the channel out a ton, believe it or not. Bye-bye.